Hi, I'm Christine Hopkins, and I'm an independent wine consultant with Scout and Cellar. So one of the things that I do to make my living is I market wine for Scout and Cellar. And what I'd like to do is give you a peek of what is in our wine club. So we are the only e-commerce wine company that ships and delivers clean crafted wine right to your doorstep. One of the things that makes us a great company is our variety with our Scout Circle Wine Club. So let me give you a peek on what's in my box. This is our 12 Bottle July Wine Club. There's a lot of variety. There's wines in here I've never even heard of before, and you'll see a lot of different countries represented. So first up is our Oso Pardo Rosé coming from Spain. This is a club exclusive. See that gold label? So that's one of the fun things about the club is we have club exclusives available. This is the 2019 Fiddleneck Riesling coming from California. This is another club exclusive, the 2020 Vente Sauvignon Blanc coming from Chile. Now, another perk of this club is we have two labels or two brands that are exclusive to Scout Circle, and one of them is Pip the Greeter. Check it out. So Pip the Greeter, this is the 2020 Merlot coming from Lake County, California. And again, this wine's only available if you're a member of Scout Circle. Next, we have the Solier Venemi Vermentino coming from France. We have the Oso Pardo 2020 Bobal Manchula coming from Spain. Like, this is an example of something I've never had before, and this is a red wine. This is the Che Fico Montepulciano coming from Italy, 2019. This is, again, one of our international wines. Love this one. This is our mixed track red blend coming from France. So this is a blend of Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre, and Carignan. So this is a really, really good wine. I've had this before. And another exclusive. So this is the Nest. So this is another label that is exclusive to Scout Circle members. And this is the 2020 white wine coming from Dry Creek Valley. And again, that's the Nest. We have the 2020 Oso Pardo Viura Manchella, also coming from Spain. The Conte de la Terre Cabernet Sauvignon coming from Washington. And the 2019 Solier Venemi Pinot Noir coming from France. So again, keep Scout Circle in mind for gifting yourself, gifting your spouse, gifting your children. Maybe it's a graduation gift. It makes a great wedding gift. It's also a great gift for clients. You know, maybe your referrals. So keep Scout Circle in mind. It's totally flexible. You can schedule it monthly, bi-monthly, and quarterly. You can change it at any time, cancel it at any time. And again, we ship year-round. The club includes shipping, and it's set pricing, and it starts at $89 for 4 bottles, and it goes up. And again, if you are adventurous and you like trying new wines, then I highly recommend Scout Circle through Scout and Cellar Wine. Thanks.